Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the color mixer within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now, like I mentioned, in today's video we're going to be looking at the color mixer, and this can be found on our main toolbar or in our main menu. I'm going to zoom in here so we can see the icon. Looks like a little artist palette, and then as we can see there, the color mixer's shortcut is M. So I can either click on this icon to open it, or I can simply press M to open it and press it again to close it. It's great learning these shortcuts because it makes your workflow slightly faster. Now under the color mixer we've got a few different options. We've got our primary color, what it's set to, or our color, what it's set to. Then under this drop down we've got a few different modes, so RGB, CMYK, lab, spot, SHV, and then duotone. So depending on what type of format you're working with, most of the time for print you'll probably be working with CMYK, but at times you could also be working with RGB, and then afterwards try check it out in CMYK, so you can do that as well. But now the nice thing with the color mixer is that, apologies, we can actually set custom colors, where if we had to look at our actual swatches here at the bottom, we will notice we've got a very limited amount of colors to pick from. So if you want anything outside of this, then you're going to want to use something like the color mixer. So now under the color mixer with the RGB, we have our classic red, green, and blue we can set, which means if you can get these values anywhere online from another color, you can set it to the exact same amount. We also have the U at the bottom, which we can just simply click and drag and it will update our color. And obviously under the stuff like the CMYK and that, we can set the CMYK. So if a client wants a specific color, you can do it over here. Another nice thing with the color mixer, which I can show you quick. So let's say I'm going to quickly just import a design here. So import, grab our am.co.za logo, place it in here. Now let's say we wanted to make two little bars on top and bottom of this in the matching color. Now by default that will be tricky, so if I grab these bars, I'll make them, they're going to be set to the last color we had. I'm going to make a copy, paste this one on top. And then as you can see, so if I now want to get these colors the same, it's tricky because there's no color over here that matches our actual design. So if the client has a design template that you have to follow, then the color mixer will help. So I'm going to press M, open our color mixer, select the object I want to change the color of, and then what we can simply do is either you can if you have this selected and you color pick it, you can look at the values and try adjust it even accordingly. I'm just going to undo that. The most simple way is you can simply click this shape or the shapes you want to change the color of. Then you click your color picker, select that one, and you'll see it adjusts the new colors to the actual design. So even though it is not in our swatch at the moment, at least it is over here. There is ways to add it to the swatch, but we will do that in another video where we go into more depth on adding custom colors to our swatches. So that is great if you're setting up a custom profile or something on that line. But yeah, otherwise that is the color mixer for you. You have a lot of control over the colors you want to set. So if I have this selected, I can go through the hues if I want and really fine tune the exact color I want. So I can either get the codes online or directly color pick it in the program and adjust it accordingly. But yeah, otherwise that is on the color picker. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.